Residents of Stewart Town in St. Mary have blocked a section of the North Coast Highway through that town in protest over the police shooting of a man earlier today. The dead man has been identified and there is very little details about the incident. The Corporate Communications Unit (CCU) confirmed the shooting, saying it was during a confrontation with the police in Stewart Town, St. Mary on Monday, June 15. They said a 9mm pistol with extended magazine was seized during the confrontation. The matter has been reported to the Inspectorate of Professional Standards and Oversight Bureau and the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDICOM). Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.